Hello everyone, this is Tony at Haas. Today I'm going to show you how to go to a website called Thingiverse and how to download a model and how to print it. So I'm here at Thingiverse. You don't have to sign up or join anything. You can just search for whatever you want to go through all the different models. I know what I want. I found something before. It was called Cal Bookmark. Okay, I'm going to search for that, and here it is. So what happens is once you see the photo, you can read about it and do things, but if you click on a photo, you'll get a little menu on the right-hand side that says download this thing. Great, so you download it. I'm going to download it to my desktop, and once it's here, I right-click it, and I open it, and I unzip it. All right, I don't want to waste your time, so I already unzipped it, and created a folder called Berkeley Cal Bookmark. I open it and you see what we're looking for is this STL file. Sometimes there'll be readmes and copyrights, all sorts of other files. Really, the one we care about is the STL. I already have the software installed called Cura, so it's already associated the STL extension with the Cura file, and I double click it and it opens up Cura, which is fantastic. And now what I'm going to look for is one of the model and see if I want to shrink it and use the controls to make it bigger or smaller, scale it. But what I really care about is this Ultimaker 2, because what we have is the Ultimaker to go printer. And it's very important when you create the G-code that you select the right printer. So I already have it selected properly. And to save now the model for printing, I'm going to go to File, Save as G-code. Now here's another important step is since the Ultimaker to go only has one connection, which is an SD card, you have to save it to an SD card. I have an SD card already connected to this particular computer. So I'm going to click on computer and it's my removable drive here. And you can see I have some other G-code here. This one's called Bookmark Cal Bookmark 2. And one other thing that I recommend is part of the file name you call it Alti2 to make sure that you know which printer it's for, because you don't want to print the wrong G code because it could damage the printer, because these are little motors that are going back and forth, and you may send it to a location which doesn't really exist. All right, so I'm going to save it, and there you go. Now I am going to take my G code off of the SD card, and we're going to show you how to do that next.